lamps and tablets. This is a quick video on the fog lamps which I have just to show the focus of this HJG which I have fitted on my motorcycle. So I'll show you night eye which I have installed on my motorcycle. So this is night eye and this is the head which goes up there. Then comes the HJG 4 LEDs. This is the one. You can see the focus of 4 LEDs which is reflecting on the road. This is another KZ30 plus. This is yellow which is spreading across. Then this is white. Then comes another HJG which is Mercedes. We call them Mercedes. So this is the one white which is, you can see the focus. Then this is yellow. That goes a longer distance on the highway. It goes much longer than what it is to be seen now. Then comes this small ones which I have fitted on the shockers. These lights. This directly, helps you focus on the road. Then comes this HJG LED which I have fitted. This is a police light basically, so it has, I have fitted just behind my windshield and you can see the focus. Still it is quite bright. Now let me switch on all the lights again. So these are the lights. Finally all the lights are on. This is how it looks on the highway. Well, bye bye, see you. This is the complete picture while driving on the highway. This is how it looks. See you in the next video. Enjoy the video. If you like it, then like and share. Subscribe to the channel.